Alright. So today, guys, come here. Today we are still learning mdr6, which is our 6th standard in 4th grade. That's why it's mdr6. Measurement and data reasoning. You okay? Your hands up. Getting something? Okay. I got you. Measurement and data reasoning. So we're talking about measurement and data, right? Okay? So I am learning. To measure objects. And analyze. Graphical displays of data. To answer relevant questions. So we've got a couple of words that are highlighted here, guys. Analyze. What do you think analyze means? To look at? Are we just looking at it? Oh, that's pretty. We're examining it. We're thinking about it, right? We're trying to get it all. We're trying to get it to where we can do what? Answer relevant questions. What does relevant mean?
Something
that is related. Something that is related, right? It's real life, it's relevant to us, or it's relevant to what we're talking about. Okay? Graphical displays. What's our root word here in graphical? Graph. So what is a graphical display? It's a graph. So what do you think we might be doing today? Making a graph. Okay, we're going to find, I can. Collect measurement data. And explain how that data is collected. All right, so you made some graphs in 3rd grade. We already know about some graphs from this year too that we've already learned, right? We're going to collect some data, gather it all together, and then we're going to explain how that is collected. How did we do that? Why did we do this first? What was our next step? Okay? I can ask and answer questions based on the gathered information. All right? So we're going to take all the data, we're going to put it on a graph, and then we are going to ask questions about it and answer questions about it. Okay? You get to help me determine if we can ask and answer questions. All right? Because you get to make up your own questions. So we already decided that we are going to use our shoe sizes. Oh, come here. Our shoe sizes to make what kind of graph? A what?
Bar graph.
Hold on. I think Amir was telling us. Amir, what are you saying? What were you saying? Not a shoe graph.
A bar graph.
Not a bar graph. Hold on. A bar graph is. Hold on. A bar graph is one of the graphs that we talk about. We're not going to use that for our shoe sizes because a better way to show that data is going to be to do what?
Line plot.
A line plot, dot plot, okay? We've seen these before. We should be able to read these, and we should know what they mean, all right? So we have our title, shoe size. We have a line down here, okay? I am going to label my line. Let me label it with black, okay? These are going to be shoe sizes, okay? We'll start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right. So here's what we can do. I can let everybody come and put their X where it goes on the line plot. Think that would work?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Hold on. If you don't want to, you can just raise your hand and tell me where it will go. That's fine too. Okay, I will start. Pretty sure I have the biggest foot here. You might be pretty close to me though. That'd be pretty close. I am a size 9. So I'm going to put an X. Hey, I'm going to put an X right here on 9. That X tells me what? Brianna, what does that X tell me? Amanda, what does that X tell me? That what?
That's where it ends.
That is where it ends. Why did I put an X right here, Denali?
Because we know if it's your shoe size.
We know that one person has a size 9 shoe right now, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? Alright, Aiden, would you like to come put yours? Alani, you want to get behind Aiden? Come on. Okay, I need your U.S. shoe size because I'm not putting European sizes. It says 35 is too big. Alright?
You know how you live in the United States of
Shavora, come on.
That I might do it. What? I mean, that in my
Come on, Bentley, come on.
I
Look in your shoe and know what size you have already.
I know it's different states.
Okay.
In the United States.
Yeah, hold it there. Got it? Alright, Amina, come on. Kayla, come on behind Amina.
No, I'm in I'll wear
Amina, come on. That's what his favorite color. Okay. Denali. Ashton. Chloe. Do you want me to put it for you? You want to tell me what size? 8, 7, 4. I'm way off. What color? What color? No, orange, pink, blue, red, purple, black, brown, green. Pink. You said 4? Yes, ma'am. Thank you. So 4, Kate. Amir, come on behind Kate. Be thinking about what kind of questions we can ask about this graph because that's one of our I can statements. I can ask and answer questions. 5.5, awesome. Put it up. There you go. Okay, Evan, come on. Jeremy. Madison behind Jeremy. Jeremy, someone behind Madison, do you want to do it? Okay, we'll take your shoe off. You should show it on your trunk. Let's see. Okay. Say 6.
A size.
Okay, so hold on. Okay, Jeremy has something constructive to say. Okay, we're gonna say it respectfully. What are you thinking, Jeremy? Okay, he said his size was J5, so he had 5. You're saying, please stop. You're saying that he put his X in the wrong place. Why would you say he put it in the wrong place? You were saying it a second ago. You were saying, what did you tell him? You're not supposed to put it. Okay, beside it, you're supposed to put it on top of it. Remy, what shoe size is it?
It's not 5.5, but it's over 6.
Okay, there are no sizes between 5.5 and 6, baby. Please stop. Is it 5.5 or is it 6? Okay, so if it's 5.5, then it's not going to go right here on the line. It's not going to go beside it. It's going to have to go above it, right? No, ma'am, you put yours on 6. I was marking out Remy's. Okay, so Kate and Remy are at 5.5, right? Did you see how they did that 5.5?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good thinking. Good thinking, because it was 5.5, it's between 5 and 6. What is it, Cameron? You didn't go? Come on, man. Where are you putting yours? Okay. All right. So think of some questions that we could ask about our graph. Somebody raise your hand. We have collected our data. We are analyzing it. We are trying to decide what kind of questions we could ask about our graph. Aiden, what's a question we could ask?
What's the difference between 5 and 7?
Okay, we don't want to know the difference between 5 and 7. We're looking, hold on, let me tell you why. Because we're looking at the actual information on the graph. So what is this information telling me?
How many people have this?
Okay, so would you say, let's rephrase it. What are you trying to ask?
How many more people have a size 5 than a size 7?
There you go. How many more people? How many more? What does that mean we're going to do? How many more? Hold on. How many more have size 5 than size 7? Who's got another one? Amina.
How many more people have a size 7 than size 9?
Okay, so now we're going to compare 7 and 9. So size 7 and 9. Same thing, it was how many more have size 7 than size 9. Let's branch out and get a different kind of question this time. Let's see if we can get a different kind of question. Okay, what are you thinking?
What is the difference between size 5 and size 9?
Okay. What, Madison, I think maybe you're trying to build on Cade's. Is that what you're doing? Or you have a different one? Let's collaborate with Cade here. Cade said, what's the difference between what? Size 5 and size 9. What can we tell about size 5?
That size 5 has more than everything.
Okay, so size 5 has the most. Okay, so let's go with, what is the difference? I like that, what is the difference, because we see that a lot, don't we? What is the difference? Difference between, yes. Between, hold on, the most, right? Is that what Cameron said, the most?
Yes, ma'am.
And the did they ever ask you questions like that?
Yes.
You got a confused look on your face, Evan. What are you thinking?
Because 9 has 1 and size 2 has 1.
Mm-hmm.
So which one is that?
Okay, so you want us to be more specific. Okay, so what's the difference between the most and size 2? I like how you're thinking. Okay, because really, 1 and 3 have the least, because they have 0. That's really confusing. Okay, I like how you're thinking. Good job. Let's clock it for Evan. Good job. All right. Hold on, Madison has turn. Madison has turn now.
What's the difference about 8 and 5?
Okay, what's the difference between, let's do the, which one's bigger?
5.
Okay, so what is the difference between 5 and 8? Is that what you said, Madison? Okay, 5 and 8. How about, go ahead, Jeremy, let's see what you got.
How many
many less does a size 2 have than a size 5?
Okay, how many less does a size 2 than size 5? So we talked about how many more. Now we have how many less. Does size 2 have than size 2 than size 5?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, hold on. Stop with the drumming, please, so we can all hear. Thank you. Let's do let's do this one. I'm gonna let you finish it. Write a comparison statement. Does that sound familiar?
Yes, ma'am.
Write a comparison statement about what?
5.5 and 7.
Okay. For 5.5 and 7. All right, let's see what we can answer here, guys. Let's see what we can answer. Let me get another sheet of paper here. This on the floor. Let's see what we can answer. All right, y'all ready for your test?
Yes, ma'am.
Here we go. All right, Remy, you answer the first one? Okay, can we talk about this in a few minutes when we're finished with the lesson? Remy? Okay, come here. Thank you. How many more have size 5 than size 7? How are we going to solve that one? Number 1. How are we going to solve number 1?
Ooh, me.
Ooh, me. Who's me? Alani, what you got?
We have to find the difference.
We have to find the difference. So, how many had size 5? Alani, you still with me? How many had size 5? 4? How many have size 7? 2. So, Alani, what's my number sentence? 4
Minus 2.
equals
2.
Okay? So how many more have size 5 than size 7? There are 2 more. Okay? Number 2. Okay, a little bit too much there. Number 2. How many more have size 7 than size 9? Amir, what's my number sentence here? Oh, I covered up the 9. You can't see the 9. How many more have size 7 than size 9? Hold on, Amir's looking at it. Okay, what did you just, that's fine, you just did it in your head. If I needed to explain it, if I needed to tell me why, and I needed to show my work, what am I going to put here? What did you do? 2 minus 1. Because how many have a size 7? 2. How many have a size 9? 1. What did that equal? 1. Awesome. Number 3. What is the difference between the most and size 2? Evan, want to help us with this one? What's the difference between the most and size 2? Oh, hold on a second. Remember our respect agreement, student to student?
Yes, ma'am.
We're going to be kind, listen, work quietly, treat others like you want to be treated. Okay? And we all know when someone speaks, what do?
Stop talking.
We look at them. We look at them, okay? So Evan has permission to speak right now. He's going to help us with number 3. What's your number sentence here? 4. What are you going to take away?
3.
Okay, we're comparing the most. The most was 4 right here. We're comparing it with size 2. What do you got over here for size 2? 1. You knew it. Okay? And 4 minus 1 equals 3. Okay? 4. Number 4. What's the difference between a size 5 and a size 8? Cameron.
Okay, so it's 4 minus 1.
4 minus 3 equals 1. Good job. Good job. Number 5. Number 5. Who's with me on number 5? How many less does size 2 have than size 5, Bentley? Number 5. How many less does size 2 have than size 5?
3.
Hold on, I asked for Bentley. How did you solve that? What's your number sentence?
I did 5 minus 1.
Why'd you do 5 minus 1?
Oh.
How many do we have for size 5?
I did 5 minus 2.
Okay, so Bentley, what are we going to do here?
5 minus 2.
We're not doing 5 minus 2. Hold on. Hold on. Nope, this is good. We have a mistake. I love mistakes. Mistakes are awesome. All right. Somebody raise your hand. Tell me what Bentley might be thinking. Amina.
He's thinking because there's 5 and then
Minus 2.
okay. So he had 5 and he had 2 and it was 3.
Okay, so he took 5 and 2 and got 3. So where did he get his 5? Maybe right here?
Yeah.
Right, Bentley? Right here? Where'd you get your 2?
Right.
Right here? Okay. But what's the problem with that, guys?
It says how many less says 2.
Okay, but still, he took 5 minus 2 because 2 is less than 5, right? What are we really asking about? Are we asking about the 5 and the 2?
No.
No, what are we asking about?
We're asking about
What does it?
How many shoe sizes there were.
Yeah.
Okay, so hold on. Bentley just had a light bulb moment. So what are we subtracting, Bentley?
4 minus 1.
4 minus 1. Because we're talking about the data, we're not actually talking about the numbers that are on the chart. 4 minus 1 equals what?
3.
3. Ding, ding, ding. All right, number 6.
Good job, Bentley.
Thank you. Number 6. Write a comparison statement. What's a comparison statement?
Like it's so say in comparison to our neighbors.
All right, it could be equal. It could be less than. It can be greater than. We did equal. We did equal first. All right. So for 5.5 and 7. Okay, what we got? I'm sorry, what? 7 is greater than what?
6.
Okay, so Kate says 7 is greater than 5.5. Is that the information I'm looking for?
No.
What am I looking for?
Comparison.
It is a comparison.
Side.
I want to know how many,
Oh.
right? How many on each one? So how many do we have for size 7?
2.
2. All right, so we're looking at the data here. 2 is, what do we got for 5.5? 2. So 2 is equal to 2. All right, Kate? You see what we did? We took the data, guys. We took the data that was on the graph, and we compared that. We're not comparing the actual shoe size 7 and 5.5. So that question could be confusing. All right, does anyone have a question?
No, ma'am.
Amir? Okay? Let's say I wanted to make a graph of everybody's favorite ice cream flavor. Ooh, yeah, we like that. All right, if I wanted to make a graph of everyone's ice cream flavor, what kind of graph would I need? It would be an ice cream graph. It would be what kind of graph? A bar graph. A line plot wouldn't really work for this.
Why?
I would need a bar graph instead. Okay? So I could make a bar graph of our favorite ice cream. Hold on. Let's put this away.
Can I have it?
Hold on. Nope, hold on. Hold on. Put that over here. buy an ice cream for our math fact challenge out there. I'm going to let everybody vote for their favorite ice cream, but I'm only going to give you a few choices. So, I mean, a line plot might would work.
Wait, we actually have an ice cream? No. I wish. I wish. I wish. Oh, I wish.
Okay? Let's come here. Alright, so here we go. If I wanted to make a graph, I could make a pie graph.
Oh,
A pie graph. I could make a bar graph.
Nah.
What if I wanted to make a graph? I don't know these numbers right off the top of my head. But what if I wanted to make a graph of what we scored on milestones? I know some of them. I can't talk about it. Okay, but let's say that my data shows that for ones I have 4 people, for twos, we had, how many people are in the class? 17? For twos I had probably more like 12. 16, and 3, and we had a 1, and I might not have had any 4s this time around. Okay, I don't know. Those are just numbers I pulled from my head. Okay, I pulled them out of my back pocket, and I don't really have anything in my back pocket. All right, my phone. You're right. So let's just pretend I could make what kind of graph for this? I could do a line plot, but do I really want to put 12 on a line plot? No, so let's make a bar graph. Okay? Let's make a bar graph. We've got to label our sides, all right? What do we want to put across the bottom?
12.
Okay, so we want to put number of students? The number of students. Number of students. Okay, and I'm going to count by twos. So I'm going to have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay, because 12 is as far as I go. What am I going to put over here on this side? What am I going to put over here on this side? The score.
Yeah, the score.
Right? Score. What are my scores? 1, 2, 3, and 4, right? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right? How many did I have score 1? 4. So I'm going to come over here. How many did I have score 2s? 12. Oh, so I probably need an eraser right there. Right? 12. How many did I have score 3?
1.
Just one person scored 3, and then I have any 4. So look, who can ask a question about this graphical display? Who can ask a question about this graphical display? Alani?
Why is yeah.
Okay. Kellan. I have 12 students, yeah. Okay, so you're saying that we measured this with centimeters? So you're throwing that measurement part in. Okay, that's fine. Cameron. Okay, how many more people got 1s than 3s? What do we got? What's my number of sentence? How many more people? What's the difference between the most and 3? Alani?
4 minus. Let me see what's that.
Yeah.
2.
That's okay. It would be
3.
no. What was the most?
12.
12. minus
2 equals
1.
10. Yeah, 1.
Because we're looking at the 3 and there was only one person there. Okay, that's fine.